Hey everyone, Naim here. Today I'd like to share with you guys on how to target interest audience and find the winning ad. Okay, so for the benefit of others, those who just starting out, you can sign up via facebook.com/business to start up your advertising via Facebook. You create a page, get an account, and get started. Okay, so this is the uh, facebook.com/business. Okay, you create a net here. Okay, they will bring us to the dashboard, the ads manager dashboard, or we used to call this Facebook Power Editor. Okay, so okay, so we get to see these options for you to choose from. Okay, the marketing objective, but for this example, we'll just use engagement for now. All right, so first thing first is to search your targeted audience. So we need to understand who are your potential customers. Okay, you got to break down the demographics, the certain group age that has potential interest on your product that you are selling. Okay, for example, you are selling beauty brush set. Okay, potential customers would highly likely to be women, right? So normally people would just do ads and target this audience as okay, all right, gender woman, age 18 to 65. Okay, they will just like brush that since it's a woman's product after all. But today I'm sharing with you on how to target and narrow down to your targeted audience. So we use the broad targeting that you have created here. Okay, the gender woman, age 18 to 65. We break it down. Okay, interests such as what? Beauty, and maybe they like fashion. Okay, and all the related beauty pages that the related page that they might like. Okay, so this can narrow down the targeted audience for your product. Okay, in this case, the brush set. Okay, so we get back to our ads manager here. So I'll choose engagement. Okay, so it will load up some options for me. Okay, okay, there's a create split test here. I'll share with you guys on A and B test or split testing later on. Okay, we set up an ad account. All right, let's continue. Okay, for this example, we'll uh, do the location in the US. All right, so United States. All right, country United States. Okay, so if you see here, if I choose gender woman 18 to 65, this is the normal kind of people, advertisers who are not familiar with, and they just advertise it without narrowing the down the targeted audiences. So you can see on your right hand side here, the audience are fairly broad, and they're going to reach this estimated people. All right, 110 billion. All right, of people. So it's a very fairly broad kind of reach, and you might be wasting some of your uh, advertising revenue or cost just to let this run. So what we'll do is we do detailed targeting. Okay, if you scroll down here, okay, you can add the demographics, interests, or behaviors. Okay, for example, I was looking at beauty, right? You can just type here beauty. Okay, under interests, right? Okay, you can just click here beauty. All right. Okay, you can take a look the number of size of people actually from 110,000 down to 86,000. Okay, and you can narrow down the audience. Okay, maybe you can narrow down the audience. Um, okay, by page likes. Okay, let's see if we can find some. We can do some search on, let's say, beauty magazines. magazines on Facebook. Okay, all right, we can take a look here. Okay, magazine for beauty. Okay, so this is actually a Facebook page that has about 500,000 people who like this. Okay, you can take a look. These are more for beauty. So it actually these are the targeted people that we would like to target and narrow down, because these are the people who this group of people likes beauty. All right, so we can narrow down based on the pages. Okay, so let's try on copying the page. All right, and has the interest of beauty magazine right here. There you go, the beauty magazine. Okay, it's an interest group, so you can use it as your detail targeting. Okay, all right. Okay, so you can actually see that uh, this one column box here. Okay, is either this age 18 to 65 year old woman. Okay, they have additional interest in beauty, or they like the beauty magazine. Okay, you can do that, and you can remove this, and they like beauty, and they also must like the beauty magazine. Okay, and you can see that the potential reach is much more lower. Okay, so by just doing that, you are just targeting these people who actually really likes beauty and likes the beauty magazine, which is this page. Okay, then about makeups, about um, all the women's makeups, beauty, all that, to be added into your interest. Okay, so you can see the audience size has actually narrowed down very potential reach is very small, and it is much more better for you to have a smaller audience, but it's targeted. Okay, so this is one example that I can show you on how to narrow down your um, ads to reach to your targeted audience. Okay, of course, you can look and search for more beauty magazines or beauty products. Let's say beauty products on Facebook. Okay, so maybe total beauty here. All right. Okay, so this is the page. About 629,000 people like this. Okay, you can take a look. What is the page is all about? It's definitely on the women's beauty, as you can see here. So we can use the page as the interest. Okay, and we type here total beauty. Okay, there you can see there there's a total beauty page being added. Okay, so now you have a detailed targeting of 18 to 65-year-old woman who likes beauty and also likes these two magazines. Okay, beauty magazine and total beauty. Of course, you can add more. So you can see it actually added 320,000 people. Okay, and you can even narrow further. Okay, the person likes beauty, like these two in additional interest, beauty magazine, total beauty, and maybe like brush, makeup brush. All right, so you can reach up to 90,000 people. Okay, so now you have much more targeted audience, okay, that likes all this, rather than having just 18 to 65 women and without detailed targeting. So make use of this detailed targeting to narrow down your target audiences. Okay, I have another example. All right, doesn't mean brush sets are only targeted to women. Okay, some of them are targeted to men as well. Okay, some men are marketed makeup artists, so you can target the audiences men and women. Okay, at the age working group 18 to 50. Okay, and interest of all these interests. Okay, so what you can do is earlier on, you can see there's a speed test, right? You can create a speed test here. Okay, when you set up an account, okay, they will ask you your audience is divided into unique groups. Okay, so just now the earlier one was your first group, then you're going to create another one. Okay, so we're going to choose based on audience. Okay, all right, you have two ad sets here. Okay, just now earlier on we created people living in United States, age 18 to 65, gender female, interest in beauty, interest in the beauty magazine or Total Beauty, and have interest in makeup brush. This is your ad set A. So this is your first ad. The second ad here is the same, so we need to edit it. Um, this time around, we just change to all. Okay, okay, you can estimate the working group class, maybe from 18 to 50 years old, or maybe 45. Depends on who are the audience that you would like to reach. Okay, as you can see, the potential audience is 83,000. Okay, and you can narrow down further and look if they have under profession as makeup artists. All right, there you go, makeup artist. Okay, you can see the potential audience has been lowered down. All right, so you update it. Okay, so now you have 18 to 50 location in the United States. All right, um, okay, there's no gender here because we choose all. Okay, interest the same, beauty magazine. Of course, you can change this too if you like. And interest in makeup brush, and they are makeup artists. All right. So these are the split testing that we can do to do and to do our test heads. All right. So these are the two assets I was showing to you earlier. Okay, the ads that perform well is your winning ad. All right. So it's very simple. Once you have already decided uh, where is or source, which one is the best interest for your audience, you create these two ad sets, and then the ads that is performing well is the winning ad. All right. Okay, that's a quick kind of example I showed you, and I hope that you guys find this quick tutorial useful. And I hope you can leave your comments, subscribe. I will go more in depth on Facebook ads, and will upload new videos soon. Okay, guys, till then, I'm here. Thank you so much.